YouTube Wagwan, you know it's your boy Click, man, and you're tuning into Click React. And since you're already here, man, let's just take care of some business. Hit that subscribe button, man, and let's get things underway. Today we're gonna be reacting to TikTok pranks that went too far. I don't know about you guys, man, but I am not with that pranking shit. I do not like it, you know what I'm saying? So that's what we're gonna be going over today. Guys, don't forget to drop a like. Tell me what you think about the pranks. What would you guys be okay with? What wouldn't you be okay with? Don't forget to turn on post notifications, and we're just gonna get right to it, man. See you guys later.
All right, you got it.
Hey, what the hell are you doing in my camper? Dude, you got 3 seconds to get the fuck out of my camper, and 2 of them are up. What the fuck's going on?
Man, say you got 3 seconds and 2 of them are up. Nigga, who you gonna fucking beat up with those short ass shorts? Get out of here.
That's awesome.
You got him, yeah, you got him. That was good.
Man was probably having a good ass sleep too.
Have one new message. Hey, this is Phil from the Small Wiener Club. Sorry to get back to you so late. I just finished reviewing your application and information you sent in, but I am sorry to say that I don't think I can allow you to join our group. From what I'm looking at, your wiener is massive. I mean, the sheer girth and juiciness alone is ridiculous.
Bro, when I know all she heard was, from what I can see. In her mind, she's like, yo, you sent a nigga a dick pic? What the fuck is going on?
It looks as if somebody glued a forearm to the bottom of your torso. You could probably stand on it like a tripod. And that's not even mentioning how fat your nuts are. But it does appear that you're going to have to take that ginormous schmeat somewhere else. But thank you for trying, and best of luck to you.
All right, babe, I'll see you in a bit. I'm gonna go out.
Going?
I'm gonna go to Ashley's. I need to go get something.
Who the fuck is Ashley?
What
Why do you need to go to Ashley's?
I need to go get something. I've been needing it for a while.
If you're going to Ashley's, then I'm going to Justin's.
What the fuck?
Who's Justin?
Who's Justin? I'm
Who's
talking about
Ashley?
Ashley's furniture store. I need a new desk. Who the fuck is Justin?
She might have fucked up. She might have fucked up there.
So I tried that barber lip prank today.
Honestly, I'm probably opening my eyes swinging, bro. Because ain't no fucking way. This is why I cut my own hair.
I'm gonna shoot you, bro. I hate you. Why'd you do that? Man,
Y'all, you're never gonna believe what just happened to me in Starbucks.
What?
So the guy behind me,
You see that?
you remember that creepy old man that walked in
Yeah.
right after me? He literally came up to me and said he'll buy my Starbucks drink if I let him slap my butt. Yes, he did. And so
Really?
look, I got like this $7 drink with everything in it. I got literally 5 flavors because it's 60 cents per
Wait,
flavor.
In their head, they're just wondering, like, wait, you let him do
Brought
it?
you the drink?
Yes.
No, he didn't.
Yes, he did.
Why?
Why would I get all this extra stuff?
you let him slap your butt?
Al, you don't have a butt.
Oh my god.
I was capping. Okay.
I knew she bought it.
And now I'm just hurt.
That shit is so funny.
But for real, who bought your drink? You?
Oh.
What are you doing?
No!
Babe, I don't feel good. I'm sorry, babe. Something's wrong with my stomach. Oh, fuck. What'd you do?
I don't get that one.
For him and himself and everybody around, cause he ain't got nobody to listen.
This type of prank, I'm not with it. I'm freshly dressed to go out, and this is what you guys, this is what you're gonna do and waste my time and your time. Now I have to go back and hang up. Why'd she open her mouth?
His
Bro, that's too far. That for sure is one of these pranks that is definitely too far.
Police command is
That little popper thing. What is that they use for what is that? Expecting babies. I don't remember what that party's called. My head is not working right now. But he clapped that in her face. I don't even know if that shit looks like it stinks.
free, and I am trying to trick him.
Friends
Dogs.
for French.
Listen, I'm going. He's tired. Let the man go.
Frosting free.
Yeah, he's
Do
definitely,
this
man,
to
he's
your
not gonna forget
girlfriend
that.
and say it was an accident.
I think we should go to the that plant store over there by 24. Yeah. See what that one be. For real? Tomorrow?
Jonathan, yes,
What?
Yo, why didn't she just move?
Oh my god!
What? Oh, damn.
Bro! Oh my god, I'm gonna kick your freaking.
Is that okay? You okay? Damn.
This one's not as
Vacuum
bad.
prank
That one wasn't as bad because she's not going out. They're just sitting in the house, so you know.
on boyfriend.
She about to put his ear in that shit. Okay. The lips that you're putting this shit on, you're putting this shit on the ground in the corners of the car where everybody steps. You're gonna put that shit on my lip? Hell no.
Okay, chill out.
Oh. I hope that shit is not real. She probably broke.
Whoa, Aaliyah, what the fuck is wrong with you?
I didn't.
Turn it off.
Bro, it definitely popped, right? Because that's the only way it would have came up. Just broke the man's chain over some damn prank. Shake my head.
Whoa, Aaliyah.
Oh my god, I got my jumpsuit. Let me check for some wipes in the
Hey,
back.
what are you gonna want to eat? No, guys! Dude, you almost knocked me out the car.
I mean, you can't use the door like a normal person.
Scared me, sorry, I had to get some wipes.
You okay?
Yeah.
Is baby okay? Here, come back here. Whoa, come on! You
Alright.
want me to snip your ass?
You're doing the most. Ball prank.
Okay, so you know how like you said that you like really like love like when I shave and stuff?
Yeah.
Well, I kind of did something. I'm kind of
I'm
nervous.
telling you right now, we out. Unless that's a disease or whatever, I'm out.
But here.
Why the fuck did you scream like that?
What the fuck? It's not
Yo.
Saying I got my GF pregnant, then getting out the car.
She pregnant. Yeah, I trapped her. I ain't pull out. Yeah.
You trapped who? Who pregnant? Who pregnant? Gary, who pregnant? Gary! Gary, who fucking pregnant?
Might not be you.
Pregnant.
She can't even speak.